Hey guys, this is YouthFullGamers and today I'm doing a new PC build. Now, I'm not guys going to be building the actual PC this time. With the last $500 PC build, I actually built the PC myself. This time I won't be doing it because I don't have the money to get the parts, of course. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to do an AMD Ryzen build. Now, AMD Ryzen is releasing about today, and then the benchmarks will show up hopefully from other YouTubers. And today I'm doing a build on just getting a first initial impressions, making a build so that if you were to buy it, then this is what you could get for $1,200. So just as a quick note, the parts that I could pick were kind of limited because on the PC part picker there were not that many parts available yet, but I'm sure this will be a great build to go on for. Also, the benchmarks, I don't have any. I'll try to provide something as for the GTX 1070 that is in it, which can sort of do okay, and it'll probably most definitely go to its full potential with the Ryzen CPU. So here are the parts, and enjoy the build. Guys, so this was the build. Now, I hope you guys like it. I'll leave some links to some benchmarks found from another YouTuber down in the description. So shout out to him for providing the benchmarks. Now, one thing you might notice is that I didn't include the case. Now, that is because really the case is like a personal thing, I find. That, it's what you want. You shouldn't really follow anyone's advice on a case. As long as it fits everything and it looks the way you want it to, then it's good. So, but in the PC part picker list, you'll see an N60 S340, which you can use, of course, but it's like basically $60 allocated for the case. There, you can fit whatever case you want in there, you know, all you want. And also the CPU cooler is an optional thing because there is a stock cooler included, which is pretty cool. But of course, if you want go into overclocking further down the line, you can of course go ahead and use the Sky's-Mugen, whatever how you speak it, pronounce it. Pretty good cooler, $51, so they'll get your overclocking needs all done. So this was the build. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.